What would you do if you only had today to live? You know, you have been crying so much about your destiny, about what is going on. Why don't you take the decision to change that destiny, to take control of that destiny? So in this particular video, I will be sharing with you 4 different principles that you are going to use to take control of your destiny. So stay tuned in and I will see you in a few moments. Hi. So we are back again this week with those content that we want to share with you to allow you to take control of your destiny, right? So we need you to keep your mind that everything you are doing, if you don't take control of that destiny, you are not going to make it happen. And you have 4 steps, only 4 steps, 4 steps away to take control of that destiny. So those 4 steps, I'm going to share them with you, and I hope they are going to help you out, and they are going to help those people also who are around you. And you are going to make sure that you are going to spread the word, and you share those content with other people that are around you. I guarantee that we are going to create the impact. And the first thing that I want to share with you, have an idea. Use your imagination. We have been talking about imagination, right? So use your imagination and find out what are the challenges that we are going through in my community, in my neighborhood, in my family, even myself. Which kind of challenge am I going through? And those kind of challenges, you have to find an idea to try to solve them. This is the first thing you have to understand. So without idea, you can't do it. Before doing those things, I had an idea. Say, okay, I'm going to start writing books, and I start writing books in my language, in French, right? So I started to write in French, and I got to a place where people are not speaking too much French. So I decided, okay, I have to use another language. So I started to learn English to start writing in English, right? And the second thing I want to share with you, whenever you have that idea, you have the imagination, you have to set goals. Most of the time, we don't set goals. We just think that life is going to do it for us, or because we have the idea is going to happen. No, it's not going to happen. You need to set goals. How do you set goals? You have to make sure that every single idea that you have, you set a particular goal, personal goal and professional goal. How do you want that idea to upgrade yourself, to add some value to yourself, and to add some value to your community? This is what's happening. So whenever you can do it, what is going to happen is that you are going to upgrade yourself. You are going to help those people who are around you to upgrade also themselves, right? And by doing so, step by step, we are taking control of our destiny. Those are the two main things you have to go first. Whenever you are able to do those 2 things, then the next steps, or the third step that I want to share with you, is just to take action. Take action. Not because you had the idea, you set goals, means it's going to happen also. Most of the time we don't take action, right? So the action is important. Make sure that every single day you are taking your idea forward. You are doing something which is going to add a value to what you are doing. You are taking the idea and you are working on it. Whenever you don't have the knowledge, you don't have those different things, those resources that you need, you can call somebody or you can ask for help, not because you are weak, but because you want to remain strong. So if you want to remain strong, then you have to ask for some help. You have to scan your environment and find out those people who can help you out to take your idea forward, right? And the last thing I want to share with you is nothing else, that you have to find your purpose. You have to find your purpose. What is your purpose? What is the motive of your action? So your motivation, what is going to motivate you to wake up every single morning to work on it, right? Even though your body doesn't want to do it, but what is going to motivate you to do it? Because if you don't do it, you are going to talk about it, and it's not going to happen, and you are going to feel frustrated, more frustrated than ever before. You are going to feel like, my friends, those people who are around me are doing it, but why am I doing? Why I'm not doing it? What is going on, right? So you have to make sure that every single day you have those kind of steps that you are going to take step by step. Those 4 steps, I guarantee you, if you can apply them and you can use them, you are going to take control of your destiny. You are going to do great things happen. No matter the challenge you are going through, you are going to have always the idea to go forward. Because it's kind of the brain. You have to nurture your brain, right? You have to feed it, and you feed your brain by only taking those actions and take the step forward, right? So it was a great pleasure to come back to you with this new video, and I hope you are going to enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and leave your comment also. we appreciate it because it's going to allow us to improve our work. So stay healthy, take care of yourself and your family, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.